Hello and welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Walmart. How we can use Walmart. So I will tell you each and everything about Walmart. At the end of this lecture, you will learn how to done these tasks. Listing creation, images and content, order management, Walmart advertisement, listing optimization, Walmart fulfillment service, refund, update listing through feed file. Now I will tell you about the dashboard of Walmart. On the top right corner of the screen, you can see the tab of Ad Center. In this tab, you can see about advertising. And next tab is WFS, mean Walmart fulfillment service. Next messages, you can see by a message in this tab. Next is setting, and next is help. If you want to open any case with Walmart or any help with Walmart, you can click on this icon. Next is update items in bulk. If you want to update items means inventory or price, you can click on this tab. Next is add items. If you want to create a new listing, you can click on this tab. If you want to see the current situation of listing, you can see draft items, published items, unpublished items, item processing, item with error. After that, you can learn how to create listing. Click on add items. There are two options, add single item and add item in bulk. If you want to create a single item listing, you can click on add single item, and if you want to upload a bulk item listing, then you can click add item in bulk. When you click on add item, this dashboard will appear. Now you can put item name, UPC, category, SKU, and description, content, bullet point, brand name, images, price, etc. And when you click on item, add item in bulk, the following dashboard will come. Now you need to download the category file and put the data and upload the file. Now we will move toward next slide in which we can learn how to create content. In this slide, you can see three portion: title, bullet point, description. In title, keep the title within 50 to 75 characters and do not exceed this. If you want to create a ideal uh, product title, then you need to follow the formula. First, if you have brand name, you can put a brand name, then size, if applicable, then quality, then product name, then style, if applicable, then pack. In bullet points, list 3 to 5 important benefit of the product in bullet point. If possible, add at least one or two keywords here. Up to 10 bullets with 80 characters each including space. And description, a short description is something that appear either above or below shelf description. It is usually a small paragraph that is 8 to 10 sentences long or 500 to 1000 characters, and long description 1000 to 4000 characters. Images, minimum images size for zoomable capability 1000 by 1000 pixel for most images, good and high quality pictures attract every picture should have a resolution. Do not show extra accessories that we are not going to sell with the item. Avoid using images that contain additional watermark, logo, attacks, etc. The product image should be professionally focused and photographed. Includes pictures of the product showing in all angles. Next slide is order management. For new account, we need to fulfill order by MCF or third party fulfillment. So when we got any order, we ship order manually. When we ship order through any channel or manually, we got tracking number, and then we can put that tracking number into Walmart. Walmart advertisement, the main advertisement type of for Walmart sellers is a pay per click PPC, same like Amazon. You will only pay when a buyer click on your ad. Ad can appear in search result on detail page, browser page, topic page, and category page. We need keyword research to find relevant keywords for PPC. You can also use the keyword that Walmart suggests us. Listing optimization is our next topic. You will need to complete your item setup as component of setting up your Walmart Seller Center account. That's mean when you list a product, you have all information about the product, and you must upload the item, the all the functions of item in the Walmart. Choose the right location, as this means you must know about category. Use a specific product name, that's mean a title. Use highly relevant keywords in content. Utilize high quality images. Highlight key product feature. Pricing competitive. Provide fast customer services. Walmart fulfillment service. Product must ship to Walmart fulfill center from within United States. Maximum product weight is 30 lb or 13.6 kg. Maximum product dimension 25 into 20 into 14. Next topic is update item in bulk. We can change inventory price in bulk with this file. When we click on this tab, the following tab will appear. You can easily see the dashboard. I hope you will understand about Walmart. It is simple as piece of cake. If you have any problem related to Walmart, please mention your question in comment box. Thank you.